Yeah, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading on to our day 2. Yesterday I didn't do much filming because my battery run low and I didn't walk with the bag with all the battery and stuff. But today we're here to continue on with our Indiana limestone. As you see, we did this much here. I'm going to show you what I did so far. We're going to continue on with some more installation of Indiana limestone. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before I jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more content video like this one. Let's get started. So as you see, I lay this much, come all the way up to here. Couldn't do much because I didn't have my scaffolding here. The previous contractor leave his scaffold behind. The homeowner said I can use it, but now we bring our scaffolding. As you see, we're setting up right now, preparing to get ready. So right now we're just gonna continue on with our weeping plastic, go right around, and then afterwards we're gonna put our Tyvek and start our installation. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna slap my my weeping plastic right over here. Being as we're gonna put our Tyvek afterwards. Continue it around, just like so. Weeping plastic is what we use to help to prevent the water from going on the inside. Very important to use the weeping plastic. So we want to go through, make sure we tape up our seat properly. Just like you see I'm doing here right now. So right at this corner, you always want to fold it over, overlap it like this. Just so that you can get a perfectly turned corner. For here, being as we have this step up, we're just gonna fold this here. Just like you see I'm doing right here now. Over. Okay, so now that we finish our Tyvek, we're gonna go ahead and tape the seams. Make sure that she's nice and secure. We don't want to have no water issue later on in the future, guys. Guys, to get the sound so that we can put our brick tie right into the rock. Usually the stud is 16 inches on center. guys, so this is where we're at now. Just see we finished this section over here. Work all the way around this section here. So I have my weeping all right underneath my sills. Work my way, come around here. And I'll work my way, go right around there. So I have my nail here. Nail we're gonna use to get a straight edge. That way we use that as a guide to make sure that our corner is nice and straight. We also have one in the 45 here. I just remove this one to do my joints, but put it right there in the corner. We also have a nail right in the 45 here. Go all the way up. For this you always want to put a brick tie across. Also want to anchor one in this just to make sure that it's nice and secure. And we're going to start work over here now. So we're going to work on this section right now. So we carry up this side, we go all the way up to there today. I just want to use a lot of brick ties. You already know brick ties is what we use to help. Okay guys, so as you see, this is our day 3. This is how much we did so far. It's kind of difficult for you guys to see from up here, but yeah, this is how much we did already. Work our way, come around here. From up here, go all the way down to the bottom there. Today we're working hopefully to finish off this section here. We should finish this section here. And then we're gonna go down to work on this octagon. Stone, you always want to check to see what stone you have more than width. In my case, we have more medium, more than all the other pieces. So here we have 4 dimensions of stone. Very important to check to see which dimension you have. Here we have a small, medium, large. You wanna check to see which one you have more than width. So that you can use them accordingly. Gonna bring this one down to the same level as this one that's already laid. Just so we can maintain the level as we go up.